Good morning, guys. So this is what we're going to be working on for today. I'm going to give you a do now. I want you to go ahead and put your name and the date so we can get started. This is your do now, name and your date. And then I'm going to tell you what we're going to be working on for today. I'm going to say this right over there. Everybody's done? It's okay. Whatever you have, that's okay. Let's stop right here. Let's go over what we're going to be working on for today. So you're going to be identifying, looking at your object, and counting. See how each counters have a different color. These are the different colors that we have in our counters. So who can tell me what color we have first? We have red. Then we have green. Then we have Oscar. Yellow. Then we have orange. Then we have Oscar. Ooh. Then our last color. Purple. Okay, so this is what we're working on. You're going to count your items for your do now. How many counters do you have in all? You're going to count them by yourself and then write them on the line provided for you. So go ahead and count. Make sure when you're counting, use your inside voice. 8. So write it on the line right here, Oscar. Here's your pencil right here. Write it on the line. 38. 38. What number? 3. 3 and the 8. Need help?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Count it again.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18,
16. 16. Then 17. 18.
19.
What number comes after 19? 20.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29,
30. 31.
31, 32, I got 92, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38.
38. Write it on the line.
Oh, 1 and 8.
38. 38. What would 8 and what number will come before it? 3. Turn around. Turn around. Don't look back. Let's count how many you have. 7, 9, 30, 40. So I want you to write that in the line. 41. Good job. 41. Let's get started on your guided practice. Let's move on to your guided practice. I'll collect your do now. Thank you very much. Let's get started on your guided practice. Janaya, hand it out. Make sure everybody gets one. Just write your name. That's all I want you to do on your paper. Write your name. So I know it's your work and not somebody else's. Don't worry about the date, Oscar. Just your name. That's all I want you to worry about right now. And I'll tell you what we're going to be doing for your guided practice. So this is your guided practice. Now everybody counted how many counters you had. Don't touch it right now. I'm just going over what you're going to be working on. Everybody counted their counters, right? You have different colors. We looked at, we have how many colors in all? We have how many? 1, 2, 3,
yellow, orange, blue,
purple. We have 6 numbers in all. Each of your counters have 6 colors. What you're going to be working on is counting. Makaya, I'm going over the directions. You're going to look at your counters. The first color you're going to be looking at is red. You're going to look at your counters and identify how many. You're going to count how many red counters you have. You're going to write it on that line. You're going to do the same thing for green, the same for yellow, the same for orange, the same for blue, and the same for purple. When you're done, what you're going to look at is which color had the most amount in your counter. Which one had the most amount, the largest amount of number in your counters. Then when you're done with that, you're going to look at which color was the smallest amount you had in your counter, or the least amount. So we're looking at the greatest color, the greatest amount of color you had, and the smallest, the least amount of color you had in your counters. So are we ready to begin? Look at me. Track me, Oscar. Go. So first, look at your red. You're just counting how many red counters you have. We're looking at identifying how many red colors you have in your counters.
5, 4, 5.
Count this again. Makaya, count how many you have.
5.
Write it on the line.
1, 5.
Count it. You said you have 5, right? So count it. No, this is 2. You have 1 down here, 2, 2,
4, 5, 6, 7.
so you have 7 red. The next color we're looking at is green. Now look at how many greens do you have in your counter. Use your inside voice when you're counting, guys, so you don't distract the person. And counting in a soft voice. Like 1, 2, 3. Okay. 6. So write it on the line. How many greens you have. Next line, number 2 is green. Write it on the line. Tanaya, I want you to count this. Okay, you have 5. Our next color for number 3 is yellow. Yellow. I want you to count how many yellows you have. Use your inside voice. Okay, so right on the line for number 3. So this should have been a 3. Because it's 13. So let's move on to number 4. Number 4, we're counting how many orange you have in your counters. Orange. We're working on orange. So you're counting how many orange counters you have in your chain link. Look, you forgot about this one. Okay, for number 5, everybody's done with number 4? Okay, let's move on to number 5. We're looking at the color blue. How many blue counters do you have? Use your inside voice, my child.